Let's film this elevator. Now I'm filming this alone. What the fuck? I press down button and it shows up for some reason. Okay, we go up then. If it works. Shit, my mother came. I go to OK. 24th floor, 20. Okay. And I will take full rides. Or a full ride. Since I'm alone. Let's see if it has full memory. Nope. It might be locked. Yeah, it doesn't have full memory. After the, let's go. For K, and the first one I will end the video. This is hella fast. 13 processor, 100 kilograms, 1989, H65709. On the phone. Cab view, nice elevator. Good, a large elevator. Like a staff elevator or something. Shit. That stop was a bit like piece of shit.